Hi guys. So guys, today we are making fish pie. Join me as we make this fish pie together. So here is my blender. This is a blender. I want to use it to turn our dough. So I will go in with egg. This is 4 egg. I make use of 4 egg. I will go in with egg. Also like using sugar. I will go in with the sugar. Put everything together. I will also go in with a small spoon of salt. More salt. So let us mix it first before adding the rest. So guys, I don't want it to be coming outside. I don't know if I cover it too. So guys, I've already turned it. I will go in with some flour. This is my flour. Go in with the flour. You can mix it anyhow you want, so far everything mixed together. I will go in with some vanilla. Look at my vanilla. Go in with some vanilla. Baking powder. This is the baking powder. Go in with some butter. This is butter. I'm still going to add to it, guys. So I'll add it from this. This is butter. Go in with some milk. So go in with some flour. So you turn it now. So we have to mix it. So you're not strong, you don't break. Now I got it on. It's break already. Let's check. The head is already break already. You cannot miss it again. The head is already break. See, it break. On it. So let me put some flour on the floor. So I have to use my hand. I turn it because the rubber, this thing was broken. So next time we use the normal blender. So guys, I'm done rolling it. I will keep it to make the sauce. The sauce we want to make use of. Let me wrap it. I'll use this one to cover it. I'll put it inside the fridge. So I'll keep it inside the fridge. Let us go ahead and prepare the sauce.